you're sure you've typed your password correctly at least several times, but you keep getting an error. Or you're typing a story and some keys are typing the wrong character or not typing anything at all. How do I fix that? In this video, I'll show you what the problem probably is and how you can fix it. Okay, here is the problem. You're trying to type in your password, but you're getting errors. You're sure you're doing the password correctly, but it's not working. Or you're doing a story, you're typing a story, and you're getting different characters, the wrong characters. I'm going to approach the solution this way. We're going to look at a sentence, and we're trying to type in okay, but I'm not getting quotation marks or a question mark after the word that. So what's the problem? When students would do that, the first thing I would do is I would look down to the lower right of the screen and look at input methods. In my case right now, I have LA. That's Spanish, Latin America. The solution is rather simple. Shift, Control, Spacebar. Okay? So if I go back now and try my quotation marks, everything's fine. Question mark, quotation, that's fine. So again, the solution is Shift, Control, Space. Shift, Control, Space. What you're doing is you're cycling through the languages that you have set up in your Chromebook. Now, some kids get happy fingers and they go all over the place and they accidentally cycle through to a different language, and that's when the problem comes up. There is a possible solution for that. If you go to the lower right of your screen where the system tray, you see the time, let's click on that and go up to Settings and go to the lower left of the screen, Advanced. We open that up. A little bit down, Languages and Inputs. Click on that and we go to Inputs and Keyboards. Open that one up. And you'll see I have Spanish, Latin America, and English. What you can do if you like is X that out. The language you don't want, X that out. You can always add it in later. Right here, and that will solve, say, happy little fingers cycling through different languages. If they can do that, they'll still get busy with their fingers, but it won't go to the wrong language because there's only one in there. Okay, so there's that. Now, what about the password? That's a whole other thing. You have black dots. You can't see what you're typing. Plus, in the lower right of your screen on that password part, you don't have input methods. So what about that? When you type in your password and it's wrong, you will get an error message. And in that error message, it mentions Shift, Control, Space. Okay? If you do Shift, Control, Space one time, then try your password, it should work because we know the Shift, Control, Spacebar cycles through the languages. Okay, that's it. It should be hopefully that easy. I appreciate you getting this far. I hope this helped you out. If so, please take care and thank you for watching.